Tulsa Welding School was founded in 1949 by two pipeline welders who recognized a strong demand for skilled tradesmen in their industry. Over 60 years later, Tulsa Welding School has evolved into an educational institution that prepares students for various skilled trade careers with many specialties and applications. We train our graduates for the skills, knowledge, and workplace attitudes that are essential when entering the professional world.
What has actually attracted us to TWS and their graduates is not only the books that they've taught the classes, but actually the hands-on. All schools are teaching books, but TWS is big on their hands-on, and they've actually done, I would say, beyond what other schools are doing. I've been to lots of them, but TWS, as far as knowledge coming out of school, has been by far the best.
With a focus on hands-on learning, our students train with industry-experienced instructors in a real-world environment.
The specific things that attracts Abundant Solutions to work with TWS is the graduates that are coming out of school, their skill level, their work ethic, and also the fact that when they graduate Tulsa Welding Schools, they have the skill to be able to go to a manufacturing company and work.
We're proud of the strong partnership between our staff and students. We know adjusting to a new environment can be difficult, so we build a bridge for our students by providing ongoing support and guidance. Our team provides a host of student services, including financial aid for those who qualify, housing assistance, and help finding a temporary job while in school. Employment assistance is another service Tulsa Welding School offers its graduates. Our dedicated career service professionals will help you with resume and interview preparation, as well as assist you in your employment search with current job opportunities in local and nationwide markets.
It took me no time to get a job after graduation. I had graduated on a Friday and started my job Monday. I had actually had my job lined up 6 weeks, before graduating, so it was just a matter of receiving a diploma on Friday and waking up Monday, ready for work.
Investing in your future is important, more now than ever before. Learning a specialized skill is a smart choice without a doubt. With flexible class schedules and program offerings you can complete in 6.5 to 7 months, you'll be on your way to a fulfilling and exciting career in less than a year. If you love working with your hands, would rather learn by doing in a real-world environment instead of a classroom, and are looking for a rewarding career you can be proud of, then the smart investment in your future is Tulsa Welding School.